Hello and welcome to Megawatt News. I'm Katie Scott. In the headlines today, Yahoo caves in and talks to Microsoft, Facebook blocks Google Friend Connect, PM's questions, Gordon Brown goes on YouTube, Orange diversifies into household gadgets, and a report says text messages are a rip-off. It seems that canny Carl Icahn has got his way and Yahoo and Microsoft are again in talks. As we reported last week, the billionaire investor had threatened the Yahoo board with a proxy battle to force the team back into talks with Microsoft. Today he will be rubbing his hands at the news the new deal is in fact on the table. Yahoo's released a statement in which it explains that talks are back on because it has confirmed with Microsoft that it is not interested in pursuing an acquisition of all of Yahoo at this time. Just on Friday, Yahoo's chairman sent a strongly worded letter to Icahn saying that Yahoo had not jeopardised a possible deal and that Microsoft was not interested in starting up talks again. Well, the computing giant has obviously had a rethink, and while it said in a statement that there is no assurance that any transaction will result from these discussions, the very fact that there are talks is getting shareholders excited, especially one Carl Icahn. Crisis averted. Facebook and Google are going to sit down and work out their differences over Google Friend Connect. The service, which adds social features to everyday websites, was launched only last week, but was blocked almost immediately by the social networking website over privacy concerns. At the time, Facebook said that Friend Connect redistributes user information from Facebook to other developers without users' knowledge, which it said was a violation of its terms and conditions. But now Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook founder, has said that the two companies are going to sit down and figure out a solution. He told journalists in Tokyo, "We want to talk to Google about this and see if there's a way we can make it work." He continued, "They launched that without asking us or talking to us about it first, so we had no choice but to follow the rules that we had set forth for any developer on top of our platform, and we followed them. But Google's a big player in the space and they make good things, and our goal is to work with them to figure this out." The Prime Minister has gone all Web 2.0 and embraced the digital world by launching an online PM's questions on the video sharing site YouTube. Described as a regular initiative, Ask the PM will see Gordon Brown responding to the most popular questions submitted by the YouTube community. Those interested in posing a puzzler to the PM can submit video clips questions via the YouTube Downing Street channel. Politicians get a chance in Prime Minister's question time and other question times. I think it's time the public had a chance too, Gordon Brown states in an introductory video. BBC political correspondent Joe Coburn said the Prime Minister's online question time was a response to David Cameron's claims that he was an analogue politician in a digital age. Orange has entered the UK internet radio market with a wireless internet radio device called Live Radio, which is said to be the first of many home entertainment products planned by Orange for the home. Live Radio is a wireless internet radio device which gives broadband customers access to over 4,000 local, national and international internet radio stations. Apparently already a success in France, the radio works in conjunction with a specially designed Live Radio website, www.orange.co.uk/live radio. Once registered on the site, users can customise their presets, create specialist folders for easy reference, and add the stations they want to listen to via a drag and drop function. Features include the ability to bookmark a song and have the details of the track added to a My Favourites list, and then have the chance to buy it from the Orange Music Store for 99p. Priced at £99.99, it's available now from Orange Online or from the 1st of June at selected Orange retail stores. We are getting ripped off by phone companies over text messages. A British scientist has released a report that claims it is more expensive now to send a text to your mates than it is for data to be sent from the Hubble Space Telescope. Dr. Nigel Bannister, a space scientist at the University of Leicester, found that text messages can be anything between 4 and 42 times as expensive as talking to Hubble. He figured out that we're paying on average £374.49 per megabyte, whereas those nice chaps over at NASA said that it costs around £8.85 per megabyte to get information from Hubble, and this is a generous guesstimation. So the conclusion? Phone companies need to be brought down to the earth with a bump for charging such astronomical prices. Those were the biggest stories of the day. Join us again tomorrow for more news and views from the world of gadgets and technology. Thanks for watching.